Hello, and welcome to Nature Newsflash, where you get the details on what's going on in nature near you right now. Fall migration is in full swing, and birds are migrating from here in North America down to South and Central America for the winter. This battle against the elements is truly worth investigating, as they fight against weather, dwindling food sources, and habitat destruction due to human impact. While some birds make small trips overnight from one location to another, others take advantage of their wingspan to fly higher and cover longer distances. Some fine representatives of this are the raptors, and no, we're not talking about pack-hunting dinos. We're talking about the modern-day raptors, a blanket term for the families of birds of prey, which include the eagles, hawks, and falcons. These guys are truly the masters of the air, with some of them being the fastest, largest, and strongest flying creatures today. So it's no surprise for their migration methods, they take the aerial fast lane. This fast lane is caused by a physics phenomenon called thermal lift. To put it simply, warm air is less dense than cold air. So, when the sun heats up the earth and the air around it, it rises into the atmosphere, where it's eventually cooled. These thermal lifts rise quite high into the atmosphere, but they're at their highest around mountain peaks. As a result, hawks travel along mountain ranges, hopping from thermal to thermal, by starting their circular motion from the bottom all the way to the top, and then peeling off to go right to the bottom of another one, to start the process all over again. This is an incredibly energy efficient way of migrating. So you can expect it kind of gets crowded up there. Hawks can be seen in groups of thousands of birds called kettles, flying up just one thermal. This is an incredible sight that bird watchers gather to see at designated hawk watches around the country. Here, they observe the amount of hawks and also gather data for research. Hawk watches can be located around mountain ranges, and I highly recommend that you go check it out during this season. So you might say that when there's heat rising on the mountains, there's definitely a kettle brewing. Get it? Because, like, the heat rising and the thermals. My humor is terrible. Come back next week to learn about a tinier migrant with an even greater story. But until then, I'm Joe the Naturalist for Nature Newsflash, signing off.